Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, President of the Reformed Government of South Africa. On the 6th of July 2025, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has revealed shocking truth about the rot and corruption within the broken justice system of our country, where high-ranking police officials are colliding with political criminals to obscure and dismantle the processes of justice. When the system no longer fits reality, we must not patch it because it won't be fixed. We must step aside of it and its frameworks to create a new, agile system that is fit for purpose. The South African Police Service no longer reflects truth, integrity, and justice. For this reason, it must be disbanded, and its place, the South African Marshal Police Service, will be established. Under Treason Act of 2025, the new government is establishing the South African Marshal Police Services, SAMPS, Amaninja, a completely new law enforcement agency in SA, consisting of only South African credible, well-trained individuals. It will serve as the law enforcement and security arm of the South African judiciary, and it will operate under the direction of the SA Attorney General, a qualified, credible, courageous General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi will be the head of the South African state security agencies. This eliminates the need for police minister and the whole department, eliminating the interference of outside from police operations. This is one of the most versatile and innovative law enforcement agencies. The Hawks will be disbanded, and the SIU will work under this agency to ensure that after assets are seized from criminals, they are arrested and prosecuted. Under Asset Forfeiture Program, under the Comprehensive Crime Control Act 2025, which provides National Prosecuting Authority the legal and regulatory tools necessary to keep up with those who commit corruption crimes for economic benefit. The SA Marshal Police Service will play a critical role in fighting crime, investigating corruption allegations effectively, protecting whistleblowers under Whistleblower Protection Program, conduct, arrest, identify and evaluate assets that represent the proceeds of a crime, as well as efficiently arresting the culprits. The office of the Ministry of Police will be dissolved, and the South African Marshal Police Service Attorney General will occupy it. The SA Marshal Police Services is a barrier within Department of Justice and Integrity and receives direction from the Attorney General, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. The mandate of the Marshal Police Service is to enforce laws and bylaws and provide support to virtually all elements of courts facilities of the South African justice by providing for security of court facilities and safety of judges and other court personnel, apprehending criminals, exercising custody of state prisoners, and providing for their security and transportation to correctional facilities, executing court orders, seizing assets gained by illegal means and providing for the custody, management, and disposal of forfeit assets, assuring the safety and endangered state witness, assuring the safety of endangered state witnesses and their families, and collection and dispersing of funds. Under the SA Marshal Police Services divisions, their operations. The first one is the Special Operations Group, formerly known as a Special Investigation Unit, SOS, a flexible, modernized unit with a diverse skill set that conducts specialty operations in any environment and deploys to enhance the tactical capability of the Department of Justice, both domestically and internationally. These divisions' specialty operations span the range of law enforcement missions, such as supporting and implementing commissions of inquiries, outcomes, recommendations, and evidence. 2. The Office of Strategic Technology, OST, provides technical protective wireless communications and global readiness support to all SA Marshal Police Service missions. The Technical Protective Operations Program will employ state-of-the-art technology to enhance SA Marshal Police Services protective operations and sensitive classified materials. 3. Office of the Emergency Group, OEM, the primary point of contact for sensitive and classified missions involving national emergencies, domestic crises, Interpol, the intelligence community. 4. The Office of Resource Management, ORM, provides oversight and compliance for annual and biannual requirements and coordinates training request approvals, annual training and certification requirements. 5. Strategic National Stockpile Security Operations, SNSSO, program is an all-hazards unit that guards the national resources and the national SOE business industries and hazardous environment like abandoned mines to counter illegal operations of Zamazamas throughout the country. 6. The Office of Crisis Services, OCS, is responsible for the management and coordination of the SA Marshal Police Services security programs and plans. The Personal Security Branch also ensures contractors are fit to perform duties for or on behalf of the SA Marshal Police Services. The Crisis Branch ensures due process is provided when a suitability action is taken or a clearance is denied, suspended, or revoked. 7. The Office of Security Program, OSP, manages and implements policies and guidelines for personal security, document security, physical security, badges, credentials, personal identity verification, occupant emergency programs, and communication security and special deputations. 8. Business Integration Center. The approach is to develop models, perform trend analysis, use mathematical formulations, study performance metrics, and prepare databases presentation. The unit interfaces horizontally and vertically across the divisions by connecting functions performed at the agency level with the support and capability of these same functions at divisional level. The Tactical Operations Division quarterly progress reviews are also facilitated by the Business Integration Center. They divide leadership each quarter on division, performance, external and internal measures, and strategic projects. 9. The Tactical Operations Division, TOD, formerly known as SAPS. This division serves as a point of contact from communities to district headquarters, divisions, to the office of the director and other security agencies to coordinate and implement operational matters when the SA Marshal Police Service Director authorizes a special law enforcement assignment or security mission, or when crisis arises, it is Tactical Operations Division that carries out the director's orders. Remember, South Africa, we must not back down from adversity. We mustn't fold under pressure. When others count us out, we count on each other. Corrupt criminals have no place in our government, country, and communities. The South African Marshal Police Services, Ninja, as a South Africa, will replace and transform the SAPS. Thank you.